Want to get YouTube Premium free trial? Then you're on the right video. Into this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily get free premium trial. First thing first, move into any of the web browser and then you need to head over to youtube.com. It will land you on the official page of YouTube. Once you're inside YouTube, make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once logged in, click on this three-dot icon at the bottom right corner. You have to request a desktop site. So simply click on Request Desktop Site right over here. Once it has been opened on desktop site, what you need to do is click on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now move into Purchases and Memberships. In this page, you have to click on this More option. Now click on Try 1 month for $0. From here you can choose individual, family or student. It is free of cost for 1 month. So if you want to try it out, you have to select any one of it and click on Try 1 month. Now click on Add Credit or Debit Card and click on Buy. Now you have to enter the card information. Once you enter all the information of your card, you need to click on Save Card. Once it has been saved, you will be able to receive free 1 month trial of YouTube Premium, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.